welcome back to Motor Skills. Today I will show you how to make YouTube tech tutorials. First, you must have Windows XP, the best operating system. Now, ensure that you have a good screen capture software and suitable music. Now, open the preferred word processor to convey your message. Start by writing "Hey guys" to become friendly with your audience. And now proceed with your tutorial, whether it be Club Penguin hacks, or I suppose nowadays, how to get free V-Bucks. Thank you, and make sure you subscribe.